Hello and welcome. This is the first of many architectural design projects that I will be sharing with you as I work through the different stages to achieve a final building design. The design project is for a new museum celebrating the history of the Winter Gardens in Blackpool, England. The Winter Gardens, in short, is a historic entertainment complex, one of Europe's biggest. Just to give you a little bit of background and context regarding the brief, Blackpool is a tourist resort. It is a destination, it was a destination to escape from the practice of everyday life. At its inception, Blackpool catered for the rapidly expanding working class holiday market of the late 19th century and offered escape in the form of pleasure places. The seaside town combined a zoo, opera house, theatres, aquarium, lagoons, pleasure gardens, and an observation tower. However, even in its heyday, the large-scale commercial entertainment did not pay suitable dividends. It became vulnerable to the changes in popular taste and the downward turn of the entertainment industry from the 1950s onwards. Today, Blackpool continues to recover from the switch of the UK mainland tourist to a cheap flight continental package tourist. The town itself is a patchwork of entertainment infrastructure which has grown, been demolished, reassembled and repurposed on the basis of the latest entertainment trend. Decades of technology, architectural styles, fashion, entertainment can still be identified in the ever-changing collage of the urban fabric. Residential workers in Blackpool work in the tourist commerce or in the growing retail sector in the heart of the town. Large communities live in the swatches of residential housing estates. There's not many in the city centre, although the ones that are in the city centre 9 times out of 10 have been turned into bed and breakfasts. Interaction and exchange between the town's residents and the seafront is improving as infrastructure projects in the last decade have been built. Despite this, there remains a clear divide between the tourist and the resident. If the town at its inception is structured to provide escape from the everyday life, what is the provision for the permanent resident? Moving on to the brief itself, in brief, it is to propose a local history museum with community facilities that address issues of permanence and community. My methodology for achieving this is by resampling the existing fabric of Blackpool and reconfiguring it, in a sense, to reuse and recycle the site's past components. The design project will be split into 6 phases, which are site analysis, resampling and reconfiguration, which is mainly a lot of experimentation with what's already on the site without bringing anything new in. The 3rd stage is concept development along with precedents. The 4th phase is programming and design development. And then the 5th stage is structural details. And then the 6th and final phase is the end result, hopefully. If this is something that interests you, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications to see when I will post new content on this design project. The next design project video will be exploring the site via desktop analysis. Please comment below on your thoughts and ideas on the Winter Gardens or Blackpool in general. And thank you for watching, and in the meantime, happy architecting!